Anthropic just released a guide on how to manage your sessions in Claude Code and get more for less. Some of these tricks I already shared in my video about how to save tokens, but there are a few more things I want to cover in this one. And if you don't want to waste your tokens and then wait for limits to reset and break your flow, then stay with me for the next few minutes and I will explain how to take control of your token usage. So the first trick. Saving tokens is the same as saving money. First, you need to understand where your budget is leaking. You probably already know that you can check your usage with /usage command. But really, no one does it mid-session. Look at the bottom of your Claude Code window. See, there is nothing there. And that's the problem. Right now you have no idea how full is your context window, what's the cost of your session, and if prompt caching is working. All of those are available, but not by default. But it takes 30 seconds to fix and it runs entirely on your local machine and costs you 0 to have it there. In Claude Code, type /status line and describe in a natural language what do you want to see there. That's it, that's the setup. Claude writes the script, drops it in your .claude folder and wires up to your settings. Just approve the edit when it asks. And it's done. It will run on every response and, as I already said, will cost you nothing. So what to put on it? You can show a lot. First of all, context percentage. How full is your context window? Usually past 70 or 80%, every message is getting expensive and Claude starts compacting on its own. And the second is session cost. It is estimated dollars. But I need to warn you, it is computed locally at list prices, so it's a rough estimate, not the real bill. But as a relative signal, it's good enough. You can watch it and learn which of your habits are expensive. You can also put a model and an effort level there, so you always know what you're paying for. You can also display cache read versus cache creation. Creation high every turn means that something in your prefix keeps changing. And on Pro and Max plans, you can display your 5-hour and 7 days limit percentages, the number that tells you that you're about to get locked out mid-task. And there are two related commands that can show you more detailed information. /usage gives you a full breakdown and flags behaviors that are eating your limits. And /context shows you what is eating up space right now. That's how you can find a skill or an MCP server that you forgot about and it has been sitting in your context window all week.